All right, a lot of people ask me where to incorporate their company. That's a very good question, and I'm going to talk about that today. I've done a lot of research. I could save you a lot of money. Probably spent around $100K in legal fees just researching this over the years of where is best to incorporate a company, especially if you're working remotely. That's the key, remotely, because some companies don't have that option to be able to incorporate other places like real estate, for example. Delaware, in my opinion, is the best state to form an LLC. It is by far the largest. It's the best, and I'll give you some specific examples. First of all, the state doesn't tax out-of-state income, right? That's really key. So wherever you are earning, you're not going to get taxed out-of-state income out of Delaware. This means even though the business might be conducted in other places in Delaware, there's going to be no spike in your taxes. Obviously, I'm going to do a whole video on just taxes and stuff like that. Additionally, Delaware, sorry, I just trying to pass that guy there. Delaware is very friendly to LLCs. There's no filing fees. There's no franchise taxes, and lastly is the Chancery court system. The Chancery court system is, in my opinion, the best system to run under because it allows the businesses to settle disputes very quickly, number one, and the court views the fair approach, as opposed to the application of law. So why is that really important? Because, as you grow, you're going to get sued. It's inevitable. You're going to have legal problems. You're going to have disgruntled employees. These types of situations in Delaware are handled with fairness rather than the application of law. I'm not saying go do illegal stuff, but what I'm saying is, I'll give you an example. California had the whole Uber scenario, and DoorDash, and are they 1099 contractors or W-2? The state came after these companies, and not saying what they're doing is legal, but in a state like Delaware, they would probably look at other factors before just coming to a conclusion. It doesn't mean that state wouldn't come to the same conclusion, but you want to stack the cards as much as you want in your favor, as much as you can when you're running a company, because the last thing you're going to need is for the government and for legal suits to get complicated, and that that wipes out some companies. So if you're looking to incorporate, I would say Delaware. I would absolutely try to stay away from California. You've got all kinds of companies moving out of California for a million reasons. Just Google, Elon Musk moved out. I think there's a few other companies, big brands, that have moved out of there as well. It's not coming to my mind right now, but just Google companies that left California and you'll see. So definitely Delaware. Obviously, get your own independent legal advice before you do so. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you on the next video.